In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to upload a CSV file and import contacts into your Contact Squirrel account. So a CSV file is a comma-separated value file that can be created with any spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. They can export things as a CSV file. A lot of contact programs already export things as a CSV value. Export. So you can use those things to import into Contact Squirrel. Let me show you how to do that. First, you'll have your CSV file on your computer or on your phone, wherever. And then you'll either click or drop the file into this area here. So if you click, it'll open up a folder on your computer or your phone. And then you can double click and it will display that. But if you want to, you can also let me find a folder here. You have a folder on your computer. You can just drag the file right here, right into the browser and into that area, and it will display the info for you. So after you get the file uploaded, step 2 is to map your columns. So what it's showing you is the first 10 lines of your CSV file. It's not showing everything, just the first 10 lines. It's kind of like a preview. So you can see what data is coming in and where it's laid out. And each column you'll want to map to the certain data to your Contact Squirrel account. And each column can be set to these presets here. So full name, first name, all these can be chosen. So you can see in my CSV file, the first column is the first name, the second column is the last name. You'll also notice this first row. Sometimes your first row is like a header. So you might want to choose not to import that first row. If you don't want to import it, you'll make sure this is checked right here. If you do want to import it, uncheck this and you'll see it's no longer crossed out. So in my case, I want to check this off so I don't import that first row. And then I'll go ahead and map all of these. This is first name, last name, company. Now the name, it could be a full name. So you can choose that, and what it will do is Contact Squirrel will split it out into first name and last name for you based on where the space is in their name. Address, there's also address line 2. There's the city. The county is not part of it. So I have some data in the CSV file that I really don't want to import. So I can choose do not import in this case. And then state, zip, main phone, other phone, email. You can see all the choices when you open this up, whatever you want to choose. And the last one I have is a category. You can choose one category if you want to map that. And what that will do is if that category does not exist, or if that column on your View All Contacts page does not exist, then it will create it for you and put that contact into it automatically. Otherwise, the contact goes into your default column. That's the column to the very left, whatever you named it. So if the category does exist, it will put it in the existing category for you. So I'm going to map this column to categories. Now I have imported this file before, and what it will do is it will look for duplicate contacts based on their email address only. It doesn't look at phone or anything else, just the email address. So if you're including email addresses in your imports, then it will go ahead and filter out those that might be duplicates. So once you have everything mapped, you'll click on the Begin Import. And sometimes it works really quickly. Sometimes it's a little slower, depending on how big your file is. This one went pretty quick because I've already imported it before, so I had a lot of duplicates. So there it says import complete. All 50 of them went in. Now I can go to View All, and you will see all my imports. And there's my new columns, too. And that's it for importing contacts.